Caillou and Rosie. The Demolition Derby started back up again, so we are going for opening night.
Yay Demo Derby, let's go, so we can get good seats. Hey Dad, how much longer?
We are pulling in now. Caillou.
Yay, we are here. They have trucks tonight as well as mowers, compacts and pro and stocks. These guys keep sandbagging, it's so boring that they don't hit. I am going to run in the arena to yell at them.
Quit sandbagging your babies! Quit, 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 quit.
Oh no, they did a red flag since I am in the arena.
Come with me, kid. You guys have a 10-year suspension from here and a $500 fine. Sorry, but that's our policy.
Caillou, how dare you run on the arena? We will talk at home. Caillou, we cannot believe you ran in the arena. That is it, you are grounded for a year.
That means no Chuck E. Cheese, no Pizza Hut, no Burger King, no GameStop. No fast food, no Facebook or Go Animate. Go to your room right now.